Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can set up the SMS notification using Kbite app for your Shopify store. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So I'm using the Kbite Baxter app. This is a powerful Shopify app which help the merchants to notify the customers when the out of stock products are back in available. So you can see the app from the Shopify App Store. So just search the app here as the Kbite backend stock, and then you can find their installation page like this. So I will show you once. Yeah, this is our desired app. And you can see the overviews and some key points of the particular app. And there shows some pricing plan also. I recommend you to start with their free plan so that you can just explore more, and once you find this helpful you can upgrade to their paid plans. And after that, scrolling down, you can see some different merchants reviews over here. Just go through this, and if everything is okay you can just click on install button, and this all will be automatically installed to your admin panel. Once installed, you can see the app here reflecting in the left hand side. So just click on the Kbite tab to expand its dashboard. This is a simple notification automation thing. Like I will go to the automation, and you can just change the tab to SMS, and you can see the backend stock SMS configuration. Here we have to turn it on. Now it's on. When now the customers or the subscribers will be getting some SMS when the out of stock product are back in available. If you want to have this message to be customized, you can have some message over here. You can just edit this, but we need some support from the Kbite team. So you can just contact them to edit the by default one. Now that's how you can just set up some SMS notification for your subscribers when the out of stock products are back in available. So this is a simple configuration. So I recommend you to try this today itself. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.